The event log in TerreSculptor provides a list of events that have transpired in TerreSculptor since it was started. The application event log is displayed by choosing the View Event Log item on the Tools menu. The event log can be used to determine the success or failure of specific events that were executed by the software. TerreSculptor writes different log information depending on whether an information, warning, error, or debug event occurred. So if some feature doesn't seem to have executed correctly, always check the event log for any errors. The event log viewer contents can be selected and saved to a text file. The Event Log Viewer dialog also supports event type filters and event text searching. The event log supports multiple options in the Settings dialog on the System tab. The event log can be enabled or disabled. Toggling this option will clear the log. Previous logs can be backed up or automatically deleted every time the application is ran. The logging level can be set to normal or debug information type. Viewing the event log is also possible on the Settings dialog.